I'm going to pronounce 지읒, 쌍지읒, and 치읒 as they are in commonly used words. See if you can hear the difference. So the first one means it's good. And if it's in green, that means it's the correct spelling. So this is 좋아, 좋아. It's got the single 지읒. But if it were a double 치읒, it would sound like 좋아, 좋아. And if it were a 치읒, it would sound like 좋아, 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 좋아. Another word is parking. So the correct way is 주차, 주차. But if it were like this, it would be 추자, 추자. And if it were like this, it would be 주차, 주차. So 주차, 추자, 주차. Another word is car, an automatic car. 자동차, 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 자동차. Another word is really. You hear Koreans say this a lot, right? 진짜, right? So that's the correct way. 진짜. This would be 진짜, 진짜, and this would be 진짜, 진짜. So can you hear the difference between 진짜, 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 진짜? Another commonly used word, annoyance. Another word that Koreans use a lot. 짜증. 아, 짜증나. Right? 짜증. This would be 자증. And this would be 차증. 짜증, 자증, 차증. 자증, 짜증, 자증, 차증. Next, we have politics. That is 정치. 정치. This would be 정치. 정치. And this would be 청치. 청치. 정치, 정치, 청치. And finally, we got the word sneeze, which is 재채기. 재채기. This would be 재채기. 재채기. And this would be 채채기. 채채기.